Good morning, dear students. Last time we have seen about different methods of asexual reproduction. Today we will start with sexual reproduction in plants. In lower classes you have already learned the difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. You are knowing in asexual reproduction there is requirement of only one parent, whereas in sexual reproduction two parents are involved. Now, you must have learned that in sexual reproduction, sex cells are being produced. These sex cells are even called as germ cells, or more commonly they are called as gametes. That is male gamete and female gamete. Now, there are basically two types of gametes, that is male gamete and female gamete. When this male gamete it fuses with the female gamete, then what is being formed? Zygote is formed. Zygote is nothing but the baby. Okay, the first stage of a baby. So zygote is being formed, which after getting proper nourishment will develop into a new plant. Okay. Now let us discuss about sexual reproduction in plants. As I have told you, in sexual reproduction there are sex cells or gametes present which fuse together to form the zygote. So in plants, male reproductive organ, what is that male reproductive organ? It is stamen, and it produces male gamete which is called as pollen grains. Okay. In plants, female reproductive organ is carpel, and it will make up with the female gamete which is called as a egg. That means pollen grains will fuse with ovum or ova or egg and will form up a zygote, and zygote will develop into the embryo of the same. It will be inside the same. Now, ultimately what we can learn from here, that is male and female gametes are present inside the flower. So flower is basically the reproductive part of the plant. Everyone got this? Now we will see about various parts of plant. That is a flower, that is reproductive part we will see. First one is receptacle. Can you see this part? This is the receptacle, then sepal, then petal, you are knowing the petal, stem, and this is carpel. Now we will discuss about them individually. Let us discuss first about receptacle. You can see receptacle there. How is that receptacle? Receptacle is basically the base of the flower, that is called as receptacle. And in this receptacle you can see a part which is swollen. This swollen part is called as thalamus. And basic function of this receptacle is to provide support to the flower. That is a major function of receptacle. Second part is sepal. Sepals are nothing but green and they are leaf-like structures. All together there are, I think so, 3 or 4 sepals in every flower. So together the sepals are called as calyx. And the major function of sepal is to protect the flower. When to protect the flower? During its initial stages of growth. You are knowing that a flower blooms from a bud. That means it has to protect the bud. Sepal will protect and provide nourishment to the bud. Okay. Third part is petal. Petals you are knowing very common. Okay. So all together the petals are called as corolla. Okay. And how are petals? Petals are colorful and they are present inside the sepal. Sepal part, inside the sepal part, what is there? There are nothing but the petals. Next part is stamen. Stamen is very important. Everyone try to understand it properly. Sepal is basically, you are knowing what is it? It is a male reproductive organ. Can you see here? This is stamen. Okay, and this stamen has basically got two parts, as you can see. This upper part, which is called as anther, and this thread-like structure is called as the filament. So now, what is filament? Basically, filament is nothing but the stalk of the stigma, okay, which will provide support to another part of the stamen called as anther. Okay, anther is nothing but the swollen part which is present, and the major function of anther is to form up with this pollen grains. You are knowing pollen grains? What for pollen grains are important? Pollen grains are nothing but basically the male reproductive gamete. Okay, and they are yellowish, sticky like. For what reason? So that these pollen grains can be carried on to the another part that is called as carpel. Okay, so anthers consist of pollen grains. Okay.